Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore me, I am just back from the gym and I am disgusting, so I'm going to have my tea in a minute. But look, it's the first unboxing of December, so I've got high hopes for the December boxes this year. So today it is Look Fantastic. So this is a monthly subscription box. It only costs £15 a month including postage, and it is fast becoming one of my favourite boxes. Everything so far has been amazing. And look, we have got a stunning box, and it looks in the same type of design as their beauty advent calendar, which I resisted. If you want to see how to save some money, have a look up here. I've got a new series called Cash or Stash, so yeah, make sure you check it out. But anyway, on to this, because I am not cancelling my subscription boxes. This looks stunning. Let's open up, and I hope it's amazing. I really want it to be fab. So inside every single every single Look Fantastic box, you get a copy of Elle magazine. You get a little booklet and all your products, and inside the lid it says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." Hashtag LF beauty box. That's lovely. I really love this box this month. It looks gorgeous. It's a definite keeper. So let's have a look and see what they say. So it says, discover this month's theme, the Christmas edition. December. Take centre stage this December as we bring you all things festive. The mornings are getting crisper, there's a chill in the air, and we're getting ready to decorate our Christmas trees. We're welcoming the festive season with open arms. From our party and photo-proof makeup guide to our favourite Christmas movie and face mask pairings. Read on to discover how we stay fresh during one of the busiest times of the year. And to finish, we're reflecting on 2018 and sharing something exciting coming in 2019. Take it from us, there is an issue you won't want. This is an issue you won't want to miss. The Beauty Box team. So yes, this little booklet is really good. It's got information on all the products as well as little features and things. So yeah, let's get in. So as I say, you get a copy of this month's Elle magazine, and here is the box. This is what we're interested in. So we've got gold tissue paper with the Look Fantastic sticker. I'm really excited, and I'm going to show you first before I look. And oops, here we go. Is it good? Is it good? I'm going to put it down and grab some items. Right then, so first thing I see is this Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. I am delighted to have this. I've had this in another box and it was amazing. It's a really weird like pre-shampoo treatment, and it's like an exfoliator for your head, and it feels horrid when you do it, but your hair feels incredible afterwards. So I'm so happy. So it says here, Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. Exfoliate and detox your scalp with this intense scalp detox. Ideal for keeping your scalp healthy. Use this regularly to avoid product buildup and keep hair fresh and bouncy. The cooling formula also contains castor oil beads to help improve hair growth and refresh the scalp. So use this as a pre-shampoo treatment to remove buildup at the roots, and part your hair and apply this directly to the scalp for the most effective results. And it is honestly just incredible. Your hair feels amazing afterwards. So yeah, strongly recommend getting this. Next item is, so it is a deep sleep pillow spray from This Works. I've had a smaller one of these as well, in another box from somewhere else, maybe Birchbox, and it smells gorgeous. So this says, so this award-winning super blend of chamomile, lavender and something or other, vetiver, is the sleep solution you've been looking for. Designed to initiate a deep sleep, this blend encourages a rejuvenating and relaxing slumber. Created using natural oils, this fragrant pillow spray is perfect for those who want to wind down and relax in the evening. So just spray all over your pillow before you get into bed in the evening. The fragrance will send you to sleep. Lightly spritz over any nightwear for an added relaxing boost. and it is just, it's just stunning. And this smell, I had a little boy who passed away quite a few years ago now, and this reminds me of, we must have had an oil burner or something at that time, but it just reminds me of that time, so it's really special. So I really love it. Just, yeah, just reminds me. Smells a funny thing, aren't they? They're very closely linked to memories. Anyway, moving on, we've got this by Dr. Botanicals, and it's the Post. It's a pomegranate superfood brightening eye serum. Amazing. I've had the sleep mask by this, and it was just absolutely stunning. I loved it. So this says, infused with raspberry seed oil, this deeply nourishing eye serum will help to smooth and refine the under eyes, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidant properties of the pomegranate extract brighten skin, leaving your under eyes bright and hydrated. Lightly tap onto the under eye area using your ring finger. Leave the serum in the fridge for an added boost that will help reduce any puffiness. This, oh, as I say, I've used the night mask and it's so nice, and I've had an extra one as well, so I've got a couple of night masks, but I haven't got this, and I can't get into it, and it's sealed, which we like. Ooh, I'm not quite sure what happened there, but it just all stopped filming. How bizarre. Anyway, I'm currently, as I was, trying to get into it, so I've got it opened, and it is, can I get it out? Fab. So it is in this dropper. I'm just going to try a little bit and see. I've not used a serum like this for the under eyes before. That's like a, so it looks a bit like an oil, and it feels very nourishing. I can see how that'll be lovely for your eyes. I'll probably use it at night because it's yeah, really quite a greasy formula, I'd say, but it doesn't really smell of anything. I thought it'd smell, but it doesn't. But it's yeah, hopefully that's nice because the mask feels gorgeous, so I'm hoping this is a similar sort of thing. Next we've got a Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. medium dark brow pencil. Okie dokie. Let's have a little look at this. So transform thin brows into full natural looking arches with this high pigment brow pencil. The Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. collection combine Model Co.'s high quality formula with Karl Lagerfeld's artistic aesthetics, filling brows with short strokes for a natural buildable colour. Okay, so it is, as I said, a medium to dark. I'd probably say more of a fair to medium, but let's have a look and see. If not, I might give it to my mama because she's dark. She's a brunette. So this is the pencil, and this is, oh, actually it's not too bad. It's, yeah, it's like a mid brown. I'd need to try it out on myself. I think it may be a little bit dark, but it feels lovely. If it is too dark, I'll give it to my mum. Or my son's girlfriend. Maybe my son's girlfriend. Or my mum. Somebody. Right, next thing I'm rambling on is an, oh, by Illamasqua. What is this? It is Illamasqua, and it is, oh, Hydra Nail Primer. So designed to not only hydrate skin, but to provide long-lasting wear. Oh, veil, not nail. I need to get my glasses on. It's not only to hydrate skin, but to provide long-lasting wear for makeup application. This primer is an essential. It is unique gel formula. It nourishes and calms the skin, creating a perfect base for makeup. There's no surprise that this is a makeup artist's favourite. Illamasqua is such a lovely brand. Applies a primer for a dewy finish, and you can also mix it with your foundation for an airbrushed finish. So, oh, I'm really excited to try this. Oh, here's a cute little pot. Look at that. It's so nice. Let's have a look. Oh, and it's got your little plastic cap on the inside. And oh, look, there it is, little gel. Oh, excuse my disgusting thumb. I sliced it on a bread knife last night. So that's, oh, it is really jellyish, and nothing really, not very strong fragrance, and that feels quite nice. So yeah, I'm really keen to try that out. And then last item is this. It's look fantastic, and it's got the same sort of design as the front of the box. And on here it is the look, so the limited edition look fantastic beauty sponge. Use this beauty sponge to apply a wide variety of makeup, from blending your foundation to setting your makeup with loose powder. This sponge is a makeup essential, designed with both a rounded and a flat edge. The sponge is perfect for thoroughly blending your makeup base. So let's have a little look. So yeah, it's just like your typical one. It looks quite like the Real Technique ones. It's quite firm, but often they can soften up once they're wet. So I will let you know what that's like. And that's your lot. So a nice mixture of products this month, I think. So we've got the sponge. We've got these gorgeous this eye serum. We've got the facial serum from Illamasqua, the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox, and the pencil. So they're a really nice bunch of things. Just making sure there's nothing else that I've missed, because sometimes I can be a bit scatty. And there we go. So a quick look in the book just to see what this exciting news is for 2019, if I can see anything, just to let you know about that. So this is just the items, just a little bit about face masks. And we've got a little bit about getting your makeup to last during the party season, survival guide, beauty quiz, closing note for 2018. No, so nothing really terribly sort of news breaking in there that I can see, but if I find anything out, I'll post it in the link down below, and take you to the website if they've got an announcement or anything on there. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this. If you have, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget, before you go, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. I've got a lot of boxes coming this month. I've got loads. I think I've got about 6 or 7 boxes coming, so do keep an eye out on my channel. Lots more to come. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go get my dinner. See you later, guys. Love you all. Bye.